Yeah, hello, family. That is a quick overview of the church management system I developed. There's a dashboard. Let me just go through a quick overview of it. So you can switch between light mode and dark mode over there. Then when it comes to the dashboard, it have gives you a quick summary of all the highlights of the major components of the app. So there's members. If you want to add a member, click on the add member button, then you can fill out the bio data for that particular member. You also have families, so you can connect a family, so a family head can be assigned to some children, especially when you're adding children at the children ministry column. Then the birthday reminders, when you set out the correct birthday, to always give you a prompt of the birthdays ahead, then children ministry. And before you can add a child, you need to link the child to a parent first. Then there's attendance tracking, very critical. So you click on the session code, you generate a QR code. So when you scan this particular QR code, it should populate the all the members in the database. Then you can easily check them in for the service. Or you can also do that manually by searching the names and the type of service. Uh, then there's finances. So here's the financial records of the church. You can add by clicking on add financial records. It's automatically generates a receipt number, the date, the member's name, the tithe, whether it is a tithe, donation, pledge, or any other. Then who recorded it. I think now it's super admin. You can change later to whoever is responsible. Then we have follow ups. So after checking the attendance for some time, there are some people who will be automatically flagged. That is, if they are absent, their attendance has not been recorded for some time. They will be flagged here for the leadership to follow up on such people. These are the various departments in the church. Now, these ones are just dummy data. So whenever the member is applying, they will apply to select a particular department they want to join. So the super admin have the control to either accept or decline the request. There's also events and also calendar. Then there's reports. I think the report is not responding now. Then one other key feature of this app is the inventory record. This one allows you to keep inventory of all properties that the church has. So you just click on add item, the name of the item, the category it belongs to populate there for you, the condition, is it in excellent condition, is it in a good condition, or has it been written off? The business people will understand. Then later you click on the save. Then there's an option to attach a pictorial evidence of the particular item in question. So if you say it is in a bad condition, you need to show a photo evidence of it. Then we also have SMS and WhatsApp integration. The API is not integrated yet, but you can do that. There's also a workaround. You can easily add, collect the phone numbers of the members. Then you can later on, if you have a bulk SMS service, then you can take it there and populate the numbers and send the bulk SMS over there. So currently, this is a quick overview of the church management app I developed to solve a real life challenge in my organization. If you are equally interested, you can get in touch. My number and my email address will be in the description so I can get back to you. So thank you very much. Kindly share, like, and comment. If you have any question, any suggestions, they are welcome. Thank you.